In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Proton VPN on your PC or laptop. We'll walk through the entire process from finding the official website to downloading the installer and getting everything ready to use on your computer. Follow along on your own device as you listen, and feel free to pause at any point if you need a moment to catch up. First, open your preferred web browser on your PC or laptop. This could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any other modern browser you normally use. In the address bar at the top, type Proton VPN download and press enter. You'll see a list of search results appear. Look for the official Proton VPN website in the results. It should clearly mention Proton VPN and usually appears near the top. Avoid any suspicious links or pages that look like ads pretending to be the real site. Click on the official Proton VPN download page to open it. Once you're on the Proton VPN website, you should see options to download the app for different platforms. Since you're using a PC or laptop, make sure you select the version that matches your operating system, such as Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Click on the download button for your system. Your browser will then start downloading the installer file, which you can usually see at the bottom of the window or in your browser's download section. Wait for the download to finish. This might take a minute or two, depending on your internet speed. When it's done, open your Downloads folder or click directly on the downloaded file from your browser. This will launch the Proton VPN installer. If your computer asks for permission to run the installer or shows a security prompt, choose to allow it. This is a standard step when installing new software. The installation window will appear, guiding you through a few simple setup screens. Follow the on-screen instructions, such as agreeing to the terms and conditions and choosing the default installation location. Then click the button to install. Give it a moment to complete the installation. Once it's finished, you can close the installer. You should now see the Proton VPN icon on your desktop or in your Start menu or Applications folder, depending on your operating system. At this point, Proton VPN is successfully downloaded and installed on your PC or laptop, and you're ready to open the app and start setting it up for secure browsing.